everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of tropical garden ideas. If you've ever dreamed of turning your outdoor space into a paradise of lush greenery, bright flowers, and exotic plants, this video is for you. We'll share some creative ideas to transform your garden into a tropical haven, no matter how big or small your space is. Let's get started. The first step in creating a tropical garden is layering with lush foliage. Think tall palm trees, large-leafed plants like bananas and elephant ears, and ground cover plants that create a rich carpet of greenery. Layering plants of different heights and textures gives your garden that tropical jungle feel. Use plants with broad, glossy leaves to create a bold visual impact and help create a sense of depth in your space. No tropical garden is complete without vibrant, bold flowers. Plants like hibiscus, plumeria, bird of paradise, and bougainvillea will add a splash of color and attract butterflies and hummingbirds. Mix and match flowers in shades of red, pink, orange, and purple to create a lively, eye-catching display. These flowers thrive in sunny environments, so they're perfect for creating that tropical feel. A water feature is one of the easiest ways to add a tropical vibe to your garden. Consider a small pond with water lilies or a cascading waterfall surrounded by lush plants. The sound of running water adds a peaceful ambiance, making your garden feel like a serene oasis. Add some aquatic plants or tropical fish to create a natural, relaxing environment. To truly capture the essence of a tropical garden, incorporate trees that provide heightened structure. Tall palms, banana trees, and bamboo create a striking backdrop and give the garden that jungle feel. These trees not only look stunning, but can also provide shade and privacy. Plus, they're low maintenance and thrive in tropical climates. Create a cozy space in your tropical garden where you can relax and unwind. A hammock strung between two palm trees or a small seating area with cushioned chairs under a pergola is the perfect place to enjoy your garden. Surround your seating area with lush plants to create a secluded, peaceful retreat where you can escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Another great way to enhance your tropical garden is by creating winding pathways. Whether it's a natural stone path, gravel walkways, or wooden planks, pathways help guide you through the garden and create a sense of discovery. Curved, meandering paths that lead to hidden corners or secluded seating areas make the garden feel like an adventure waiting to be explored. Don't forget about lighting. Tropical gardens are stunning at night when the right lighting is used to highlight plants, trees, and pathways. Solar-powered garden lights, string lights hung in the trees, or soft spotlights can add a magical glow to your garden after dark. Lighting not only creates a beautiful ambiance, but also helps bring attention to certain plants and features, making your garden shine day or night. Why not combine beauty with functionality? In a tropical garden, you can grow edible plants like pineapples, papayas, coconuts, and bananas. These plants not only look amazing, but also provide fresh fruit for you to enjoy. Incorporating edible plants into your garden adds an extra layer of sustainability and practicality, all while keeping your tropical oasis looking lush and vibrant. There you have it, some amazing tropical garden ideas to help you turn your outdoor space into a paradise. Whether you're creating a peaceful retreat, a colorful flower garden, or a space with edible plants, a tropical garden is all about bringing the beauty of nature into your own backyard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more garden inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening!